Put that dirty laundry back in the basket. I don't want it up against me. I don't want it up against me. Put it back in there. What? What is it? Put it back in the basket. What? What? You are so excited. You are so excited. I haven't seen you in a few days. I know. Goodness gracious, crazy girl. Yeah. What are you doing? Your ear bothering you? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Look what I got for you, Rue. Look what I got. Can you sit? Rue, sit. Sit. Here you go. Oh boy. Oh boy, it's a new toy. It's a new toy. It's a new toy. Go ahead. Not sure you can jump up there with it? What? Is that your new toy? Outside? Oh, yeah. Crazy girl. Crazy girl. Get it, Rue. I think he killed it.